Introducing the HONPINE CSF-Mini Harmonic Drive, designed for compact robotic systems that demand high accuracy, low weight, and reliable performance. Built with a cup-style flexspline, the CSF-Mini delivers near-zero backlash, excellent positioning accuracy, and smooth, stable motion in an ultra-compact design. Its pre-assembled modular structure makes installation quick and easy, helping engineers reduce assembly time and simplify system integration. A built-in 4-point contact ball bearing provides high rigidity while directly supporting external loads, ensuring long-term reliability in demanding applications. Available in both motor mount and shaft input configurations, the CSF-Mini offers the flexibility to fit a wide range of mechanical designs. Ideal for robotic joints, medical devices, semiconductor equipment, precision instruments, and automation systems, the HONPINE CSF-Mini is the perfect solution when every millimeter counts. HONPINE, driving precision motion forward.